Hi there, this is Alex Klingelhoeffer from Exencial Wealth Advisors, OKC, CFA, CFP on Twitter. Just wanted to answer a question, a couple of questions, but the first one from a client that I got this week talking about budget deficits. I know a lot of folks with the Biden administration taking the White House want to know about, hey, if the Democrats are going to spend a couple extra dollars, how's that going to impact the stock market? Do budget deficits really matter when it comes to overall performance? So historically, when you look at the data, budget deficits help a stock market as we print additional dollars and inject additional funds into the system. I mean the government, us Americans as a whole. That's going to be additional dollars that are circulating around the economy. So initially, when you talk about deficits, they're stimulative, right? That's why governments spend money, put people to work. Those companies that employ those individuals make profits, and that sends stock valuations go up because as companies make more money, their prices increase. I think a lot of folks also want to know, hey, about long-term, do deficits matter? Certainly they do in smaller countries. Deficits certainly matter in smaller economies, as if you get too much money printed, money isn't worth as much. That's why folks buy gold, precious metals. Now people are buying Bitcoin to have their dollars not be dissolved by the power of the printing press. So ultimately, in the short term, budget deficits are going to help the market, right? More spending, more stimulus helps the market. The market's been pricing that in quite a bit. And as long as the U.S. is really the reserve currency of the world, as long as the dollar is the reserve currency of the world, it wouldn't matter too much about budget deficits. Ultimately, that debt's just going to get rolled over. We're not going to pay back all that debt. We're just going to generate more debt to pay that back. Is there going to be a reckoning at some point? Perhaps. Might not be in our lifetime. So as far as, hey, because one administration or the other is in power, should that impact my investments? No. The habits that you and your family have, the prudence and saving and investing, those are ultimately what's going to drive your family's future, help you provide for the things you want and need in life. As for what's going on in Washington, is it important? Should we be paying attention? Absolutely. But over a 10, 20, 30 year time horizon, one administration typically isn't going to outspend another by any vast amount. So wouldn't worry about too much in the short term. I would continue to use your financial plan and make sure that all your investments are properly rebalanced as needed.